Commercial modular boilers, with their advantages in high efficiency, environmental friendliness, energy savings, flexibility, and safety, have become an important choice in modern heating systems. They offer strong adjustability, a compact size for easy installation, highly automated control, as well as long service life and reliability. They are used for commercial large area, space heating, and hot water. Supply in places such as hotels, schools, shopping malls, office buildings, government units, and so on.